Hey everybody, Electro Pop here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, I just received in the mail my very first Marvel Collector Core box. And as you see, it is the Spider-Man No Way Home theme. What's in the box? Let's find out. Okay, as I said earlier, this is my very first Marvel Collector Core box, and I've seen boxes in the past, but I've never had any interest in purchasing. I just wasn't interested in the pops that I've seen, the spoilers or leaks of what was inside. This never interested me. But when I saw the leaks of this particular box, I just had to get it. And the box itself cost $30 total, which may seem like a lot, but again, after seeing some of the leaks of what was in it, I just thought it's worth it. So anyways, let's not waste any time. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. First of all, looks like in the very top, we have the t-shirt. And you know what? The t-shirt is of the three Spider-Mans. And of the three Spider-Mans, them being the Tobey Maguire version, Andrew Garfield, and the Tom Holland version. I am not going to open this, but I will definitely show you a picture of what the front looks like. It's really cool, in my opinion. I just think it's one of the reasons why I purchased it, outside of what the pops were. But yeah, this cool shirt was definitely another reason of me wanting to get this. So anyways, that's awesome. What else we got here? We got here a pin, an enamel pin. Very cool. I personally don't collect pins, but for those that do, I can see why. And I've heard actually that some have been getting these pins where, I guess, if you look at the red or in between the webbing, the red, I guess it's chipped off, but this one actually looks pretty good. So that's cool. But yeah, it's a pin. Cool. What else we got here? Okay, sticker or decal of a spider. I couldn't tell you which one. If this is of a certain kind of Spider-Man, I have no idea. It doesn't look familiar, but yeah, it's okay. It's a sticker. And this just looks like to be okay. It tells you the contents of what's in the box, and it also tells you what the next box is. And for those of you who don't know, again, I was pretty new to this. You subscribe to this Amazon exclusive Marvel Collector Core box, and each month it's a different theme. And again, it's $30 a box. And I guess next month is the Ant-Man and Wasp Quantumania. I don't think I'd want any of the pops from there, but who knows? Maybe if there are leaks and it looks pretty cool, maybe I would, but unlikely. Anyways, let's get to the main thing here. And it is definitely... Oh, how do we get this out without damaging anything? So again, this was not a mystery to me. I knew it was in here. And anyways, I'm gonna take this one out. This first one here, it's just really cool. It is Electro, glow in the dark Electro. That is kind of cool. Pretty cool. And actually, why don't we... Oh wait, that's what's on the back here. Okay. Very cool. Why don't we glow this guy up and see how good the glow is? All right. And this is the biggest reason why I wanted this particular box. This is the Spider-Man No Way Home, Tobey Maguire, Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man, unmasked. This is kind of cool because, let me see. Let me grab this. I've got here, I'm not sure if you saw my video of this pop, but this is the Tobey Maguire Hot Topic exclusive Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man metallic version. There you have them together. You know what'd be really cool is if we saw these two side by side on the spinny. Let's check it out. Well, all right, guys. Well, there you have it. There you have the Marvel Collector Core Spider-Man No Way Home box. Very excited and very thankful to have this. It did sell out. I don't know how many they actually produced. My guess it's a lot. But whether or not these are going to be grails, who knows? But it's just cool for any Spider-Man collector and fan. So, as always, thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.